there! Welcome to Maggie's Animal Adventures. Now I know I normally talk about animals, and we'll get there, but first I wanted to talk about this plant here. This is common milkweed, and it can grow to be up to about 6 feet tall. It's part of the milkweed family, so there's other milkweeds, like swamp milkweed and butterfly milkweed. Now I know what you're thinking. Why is this plant so important? Well, there's a little critter that depends almost solely on the leaves of this plant. That little critter is the monarch butterfly caterpillar. Monarch butterflies go through 4 distinct body forms throughout their lives. This process is called metamorphosis. The first stage is when they're eggs. The eggs are laid on the leaves of these milkweed plants. And that's because the second stage, the larval stage, is when they're caterpillars, and the caterpillars eat the leaves of the milkweed.
The caterpillars hatch from their eggs about 4 days after being laid. They then spend the next 2 weeks basically only eating and, well, pooping. Fun fact, the poop is called frass. They are then ready to transform into the next, third stage of their life cycle, the pupa stage. The caterpillar first attaches itself to a stick or a leaf. Then the caterpillar's outer layer of skin falls away to reveal the chrysalis. The chrysalis looks like a compact green sac with a beautiful gold trim. After another 10 to 14 days, the fully transformed butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. The wings are still wet when it first comes out, giving it this wrinkled appearance. However, after a few hours of flapping its wings, it is ready to fly. You can tell a female monarch from a male monarch by 2 spots on the lower wings. The males have the spots, and the females do not. If you look very carefully, you can distinguish the 2 dots on this butterfly's lower wings. That means that this butterfly is a male. Both males and females are a vibrant orange color. This coloring acts as a warning to predators, saying, "Hey, don't eat me, I'm poisonous." Remember those milkweed plants we talked about? Well, it is because the caterpillars ate milkweed leaves that the butterfly is now toxic to eat. Once the butterfly is fully flighted, it spends its time flying from flower to flower. As an adult, these butterflies drink nectar from flowers. They use a long tube called a proboscis to suck up the nectar. Over the course of 4 generations of monarchs, the butterflies eventually migrate from as far north as Canada to as far south as Mexico. Oh, hello again. I'm just planting some milkweed seeds in my garden. I'm doing my part to help ensure that the butterflies have a place to lay their eggs. You can do your part too, but ask your parents first. You can plant milkweed seeds in your own garden, or you can plant other flowers so that the adult butterflies have a food source as well. Until next time.
Thanks for watching Maggie's Animal Adventures.